So I got this kit in the mail and I pre-ordered and everything, so I thought I would show. And this, if you haven't seen, this is the Betty Sculpt by Natali Blick, and she wears 12 months to 12 to 18 months. Isn't she adorable? She is rooted with human hair, and she's got brown eyes, and they did root her lashes as well. Isn't she freaking cute? I love her. So she's gonna hang out with us while we open this kit. Is that weird? That could be weird for you, but endure it, Betty. So this is the kit. There. Okay, so this is, I didn't realize it was gonna be this big, but this is the Luv Buggie kit by Laura Tuzio Ross. So, oh wow. I believe she is limited edition. So here is her face. Isn't it cute? Look at the details. I don't know if you can see the details in the gums and the teeth and the tongue. Really cute. Ears are very nice. Pretty ears. The lips are so pretty. Like my kid's Christmas tree. On the other side, I decided I'm gonna put a more of an adult section. Anyway, so here is her right arm. As you can see, here's the details to the right arm. And the nails, oh my goodness. If you're a stickler for nails, and let's see if we can make it zoom in. But look at the nail beds. The nail beds are gorgeous. Chubby little hands. Very cute. Put there and there. And I'm gonna do a comparison so you'll know how big this baby's gonna be. Again, the nail beds are really cute. Chubby little hands. I like how this one's kind of open, so you can like kind of hold your finger. That's so cute. So, kind of pointing. There's all that. Really cute. I like how it could be, you can make the baby kind of hold something. Okay, and here are the legs. This is the left leg. Ooh, I like the nails on this one. Oh, I should put it this way so you can see it. Can you see the nail on that one? It's so pretty. Nice chunky leg, very realistic with that. The bottom of the feet is so chubby. Look how thick and chubby it is. Okay. And here is the right leg. And the nail bits are really cute. You can even feel the nails come up here. Like I do put nail extensions on them, you know, if they don't have a lot of nail on there, but I really don't know if I'm gonna even need to. And I'm obsessed with nails, guys. I don't know, it's a thing I have. And don't mind my own nails because I can't have nails anymore since I paint. So the body, I'll show you the body. The body is 22-inch, I believe. And here's the body that came with. It's got the big legs, and I really like this too because it'll make it a lot more realistic. Just put that in there so I don't lose it. Like I'm gonna start like stocking up on bodies because I can't keep all the kits and bodies together. Anyway, so as a comparison, so this is the Luv Buggie kit by Laura Tuzio Ross, and this is the Betty kit by Natali Schull. And as you can see, we do a quick comparison. All right, so as you can tell, I'm gonna move her over just slightly so we can see here. Okay, so if you look at the head difference, it's really not that far off. Yeah, pretty much the same size head. Her face is a lot rounder. It could be because this one's face is open, right? Smiling, laughing, so. But very similar. The ears, about the same size. So very cute. And then let's try the arms. Okay, since this one is bent as well, we'll see the arms. So this is from elbow to hand. You can see it pretty much is the same thing, same size. Let's go with the leg now. Because these are bent, it's going to be a little difficult, but we'll try to measure it. Look at this. Yep. So this is really interesting because this is a stand-up toddler, and she wears 12 months to 18 months. And then this one is a sitting baby, which will be really cool. And I didn't know that it was another toddler, so even better. So I'm very excited. I will start this baby soon. I do have 2 babies that I'm getting ready for as a Christmas sale. So you can check out, I don't have a website yet, so I'm working on that. But I do have my Facebook page and my Instagram page, so if you guys want to check that out, I will be showing pictures and everything for the Christmas babies, and it's going to be a twin A and a twin B, and they're going to come with clothes and like a little startup kit for people who are new to reborning, or reborn dolls. So I'm going to have that, and I haven't decided what I'm going to do with hair, but I may just paint the hair, and then yeah, just to keep it really simple, especially for people who are starting off in the reborn doll collecting world. Okay, so this is my review, and I cannot wait. I love this kit. It's so cute and very happy. So I cannot wait to start this. So thanks again, guys, for hanging out with me. Again, you can follow me on here, or subscribe to me. Make sure you subscribe, and I will be encouraged to make more videos, which is so much fun. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!